What have I done? What have I done? Share the adventure, join all the fun.
Vi har 90 profiler. Ja, ulla-bulla.
I'm on my way into town to see Carolina Valin Perez at a release party. She is the sister of Hendrik, who I work with at Sweden Rock. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I know most of the people I know through YouTube are not into sports, but I'm into sports, and Malmö is playing Gothenburg, which is the big game. Oh, penalty! Yes! Alright, it is Monday, 4 days left until I release the animated music video I just recorded behind the scenes that went up at the same time as the music video itself, so that I can sort of talk about stuff that's been going on in the creation of this video, but still, wow, it's gonna be such a... I hope. It is what we call in Sweden up-sitting night. Midterm elections in the US. Alright, the stream we're watching is not brilliant. Young King sounds like he's 150. So two of my favorite names so far in this these races are Comstock and Cockburn. It's 2 a.m. It's 2:30. Alright, it's 4:30 and it's been decided so that the Republicans will keep the Senate, which was expected. Alright, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. The House has gone to the Democrats and I am going to bed, and then we'll see how many seats they actually won tomorrow. Alright, it's about 8 hours later. Yes, the Democrats took home the House. Tomorrow I'm releasing the animated music video, so I'm just putting finishing touches on that one and the behind the scenes videos, and that's what I'm going to do today because I have the day off, because I obviously was up until like 5:30 last night. Yeah! And it's the mud cake day today. It is 6 o'clock. The video is up. Boom. Next. Okay, the video's been up for about an hour. I haven't actually been in there watching it because I've been sending out messages to all the people that I included in the video, which is over 100 people, so that takes some time. And Malmö are gonna play football soon, so I'm very stressed, and otherwise all things are good. It is time to take that stupidly early 5:43 train towards Gothenburg to go to Trollhättan to give a lecture. Alright, just arrived in Trollhättan and I had this like anxious doubt. Was this the town I was going to? And hopefully Hendrik will show up here, otherwise I'm like, oh yeah, we screwed up. Tänk om jag skulle bara be dem att skicka in i klipp där de säger jag heter det här och jag bor i det här landet på sitt. And presentation done. It went really well. People came up afterwards, we had a lot of questions and talked and stuff, and so another day, another dollar. Now I'm gonna get the train, not that one, and get my butt back to Gothenburg and switch trains there. 14 hours after I left Stockholm, I arrived in Malmö. And I had a really nice day here in Copenhagen at the office with Maria and Axel, and had some people from Google stop by. And then me and Maria went and had a nice dinner and a very nice talk about the meaning of life and what to do with the time that's been given to you. Very good talk. And feels like a very short trip, and it also feels like I've been away for a long time, if that makes sense. I am back in Stockholm, went by the office, worked a little bit there, and then I decided to go live because I didn't have video prepared, and I did go live, and at the end of it, I got my very first donation. Mark G broke my donation virginity. Yeah. Feels good. Feels good. We're off to see Bohemian Rhapsody. We hope it's good. The casting of Brian May and John Deacon was brilliant. I didn't love the Freddie casting, but including the entire basically Live Aid part at the end was brilliant. And spoiler alert, but if you haven't seen it by the time this video is out, it doesn't mean anything to you. Also, I love the fact that 2 out of the 3 sound recording assistants were named Alastair and Alistair. So I spent the majority of the day at Internetdagen, a big conference here in Stockholm. Behind me, here are some pictures of that.
I fell into this path when I was 18 years old, and I got a kind of transient form of arthritis.
What this expression points out is that when it comes to identity, it is often formed based on our relationships.
Johannes Gustafsson.
Jag heter Johannes Gustafsson och jag jobbar med digital kommunikation. När är du född?
Jag är född 87. Jag brukar säga att det är någonstans en vatten.
We're making AI more powerful, but how can we steer towards a future where it really helps humanity flourish?
And now I'm gonna go and meet up with my wife and pick up some of the more fancy clothes I'm gonna be wearing for a gala tonight. Alright, on my way to the Net Angel of the Year, Internet Angel of the Year, where 2 friends are nominated. Me and my wife were at this gala last year, and it was really nice and inspiring staircases. This is the staircase that supposedly the murderer of the Swedish Prime Minister ran up. Eller hur? Titta.
Maja Rudholm. Jos Haraldsson. Julia Marie Nilsson. Att använda sig av ämnet. Men nätet. Female legend.
Walking home through the lonely city, so proud of my friend Linda Marie, not because she was nominated, but because of why she was nominated, for what she does and for what she represents, and for all the people that support her and the way that she supports them by being who she is and doing what she does and saying what she says. It's been a long day of conference and gala. Good food and meeting good friends, so now I'm gonna go home and eat ice cream and watch Friends in the couch with my wife. That might actually be the highlight of the day. Okay, we just watched 12 Gifts of Christmas. It's a comedy. If you really want to laugh, watch this film, because it's so bad. So bad. It's horrible. There's no chemistry. It's all rehash. Christian look from the Frylands Finance, and who's back?
He interviewed Madonna in his talk show.
But who did not interview Madonna?
Me.
Malou.
Yeah, Malou.
We are playing Super Mario World on the Super Nintendo.
Alltså, jag visste ju att det där skulle hända.
Mini. We've just been to the Red Cross, I guess, headquarters in Stockholm ahead of the video help charity live stream that we're going to be doing starting a few days after this video came up. Me, Ella and Joachim, and
it's snowing in Sweden now.
It's snowing as well.
Yes.
We're at Maria Square, where I filmed a anti-Myanmar demonstration when Aung San Suu Kyi was taken to Sing Sing jail many years ago. And also where the Mamma Mia film premiered, where I also met Ikonella Rose a few years ago.
Oh, back in the day, Martin was really nice. He was
back in the day.
Yes, it still is. Don't worry. And yeah, he was one of the first YouTubers that I went up to at a meet and greet. We were in a park in London for Summer of the City 2010. Yeah, really
Hangover
nice.
Sunday, Regent's
yes.
Park.
I'm
After
so
many
happy.
attempts.
I'm so happy. This is a thing. I'm so happy.
Anyway, heading back to the office to do some presentations and more Super Nintendo running in home.
Alright, we're in the store now and they're shooting an intro for the thing. But
we're behind the scenes in the storage room of the Red Cross store in Stockholm, and we're doing an outfit challenge for the live stream that I talked about earlier. And that's gonna look good. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but Jukka is interesting. And now we're waiting for him to come back, and then we will be in this room. Jukka has a problem. What? Drama. Alright, we're going to the second balcony. No Malou. We're on the second balcony. We're going to see von der Lanken and our friend Caroline. But not Malou. Not Malou.
Jag tror inte du vet det, men jag är faktiskt statsvetare i botten. Av vad man har och inte har. Och det kanske egentligen ingen Pandoras box man vill öppna.
So I got back from the lecture with Caroline, and the other day we were battling the 7th castle in Super Mario World on the SNES. And then now, after much ordeal, I managed to clear that. And then I thought, you know, then it's the Bowser level. But it was only one level, and then there's Bowser, and he was easy to defeat compared to some others, and I cleared the game. The end. We're out in TheSwedishLad, trying to catch, I don't know what we're trying to catch. X-ray. Deoxys.
With noodle arms.
Noodle. X-ray completed and Deoxy noodle hands captured. Anton is warming his hands, so to say.
Oh, Sweden. Warming his hands, so to say.
Look at the brave souls.
When will then be now?